Uh, let in a test there are 5 questions which are of true or false type. The probability of guessing each question correctly by the student is 30%. What is the probability of getting more than 3 correct answers? Here there are total 5 questions, so n is equal to 5, and the probability of guessing each question correctly is given as 30%. So probability of getting success is equal to probability of success is equal to 30%. That means 30 by 100, which is 3 by 10, and probability of failure would be probability of failure is equal to 70%. 7 by 10. Here the question is, what is the probability of getting more than 3 correct answers? That means he is asking us to find p of x greater than 3. So which is nothing but p of x is equal to 4 plus p of x is equal to 5. P of x is equal to 4. We solve this by using binomial distribution. P of x is equal to n is given by NCR into p power n minus r p power r into q power n minus r. So here r is 4, NCR, so NCR n is 5, 5c 4 into p power r. P is probability of success is 3 by 10, r is 4, the q power q is 7 by 10, n minus r, 5 minus 4 which is 1, plus 5c5, here n r is equal to 5, 5c ncr 5c5 into p power r, p is 3 by 10, r is 5, and the q power 7 by 10 whole power n minus r, n minus 5 minus 5 which is 0, which is 0. So if we solve this one, we'll be getting answer as 0.031. So here correct option is option A. Simple graph G with n vertices is isomorphic to its complement G dash, then which of the following can be value of n? Here the given graph is self-complementary. That means it is, if a graph is isomorphic to its complement, then that particular graph is said to be self-complementary, and the number of vertices in self-complementary graph is either 4n or 4n plus 1. So here among the given options we can say 9 can option B, that is the number of vertices can be 9. Why? Because the number of vertices can be either 4n or 4n plus 1. So among the given options, only option B satisfies the condition. So here we can say option B is the correct option. The recurrence relation obtained by applying Newton-Raphson method on function f of x is xn plus 1 is equal to xn into 2 minus txn. The iteration formula can be used to compute option A square of t, option B reciprocal of t, option C square root of t, option D reciprocal of t square. Let us suppose that this recurrence relation is used to find reciprocal of t square. Reciprocal of t. Let us check if this if this is used to compute reciprocal of t. So now x is this that implies x is equal to 1 by t. Why? Because if function is in terms of x, then x is equal to 1 by t as it is used to compute reciprocal of t. So this implies 1 by x is equal to t, as this is, if this is in this is function in terms of x, then f of x will become t minus 1 by x, and Newton-Raphson iteration formula is given by xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn by f dash of xn. So if you substitute this, xn minus f of xn is t minus 1 by xn, and f dash of xn is minus of minus 1 by x square plus 1 by xn square. So if we simplify this, we will be getting xn minus xn into t xn minus 1. So this is nothing but xn into 2 minus t xn. So we got xn plus 1 is equal to xn into 2 minus t xn, which is the given recurrence relation. So here this recurrence relation is used to find out reciprocal of t. Number of stationary points. The number of stationary points of the following function is, here a function is given and we have to find the number of stationary points for that particular function. A stationary point is nothing but a point at which derivative of that function will become 0. Let us write the definition of stationary point. Point at which derivative point at which derivative of the function vanishes. This is called stationary point. So here given function is f of t is equal to 4t cube plus 15t square minus 18t plus 6. F dash t should be equal to 0. So f dash t is equal to 12t square plus 30t minus 18. This should be equal to 0. So here 6 is, let us take 6 common in this equation. You will be getting 2t square plus 5t minus 3 is equal to 0. So if we solve this one, we'll be getting equation as, if we factorize this, we'll be getting t plus 3 into 2t minus 1 is equal to 0. That means here t, the possible values of t are minus 3 or 1 by 2. So here we can say this function has two stationary points. So here C is the correct option.